Join me for this 10-minute beginner-friendly home walking workout. We're going to incorporate our 4 basic moves. Nothing fancy here. Go ahead and slip on your sneakers, grab something for hydration, and let's get right into it. Meet you back here. All right, so excited to get started with you. We're going to begin with our basic walk. We're going to walk in place. We have these 4 basic moves that we kind of incorporate to each of these workouts, and then of course kind of build along the way. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a passionate women's health advocate. I focus on helping women over 50 just reclaim their health and well-being, finding more balance in their lives, and just feeling their best. If that sounds like you and that sounds like your jam, I am so excited to get started on this journey with you. So we're gonna begin, walk in place, check in with your breath. How you feeling today? I hope you're revved up and ready to go. Nice job. Start to kind of deepen your breath here. Let's take some big circles with the arms. Just watch the space around you. We're gonna inhale up and exhale, release the hands down. A couple more times. We inhale, rise up. Big breath, long spine, exhale, lower, release. And give me one more. We lift tall to the sky. And exhale, let it go. Keep walking, walk in place. Let's find our next move. Let's do a side step. So use the space you have. We're just gonna step out and back in. Side to side we go. Big or small shapes. I always tell people, don't judge your body against mine. Just see what feels good in your body right now. We're still just kind of warming up here, so take your time. If you're ready to go a little deeper, you could always sink down a little bit. Just check on your knees. Make sure that it's not too intense for your knees. Right? We never want any of these workouts to be painful, right? So take your time, listen to your inner teacher, and go at a pace that works for you. Trust me, you're gonna get tons of benefit just by moving your body in a healthy, joyful way for just 10 minutes today. Here we are for 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. If you like these videos, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. That's gonna help other people just like you find my channel so I can support as many people around the world as possible. My favorite part, or one of my many favorite parts about home walking, is it's super accessible. You can do it just at any time in your busy life, right? You don't have to go to the gym or make that commitment to find a walking trail. You can do it in your house, in your bedroom, in your backyard, wherever works for you at any time of day. I used to work night shift, as a nurse in the ER. So I would either come home, early in the morning and try to get a workout in or squeeze one in before my shift. And home walking was always just a valuable friend for me, just always there and accessible at any point. So yeah, super accessible. Let's go ahead and take the knee lifts. So lift up and up. Maybe you have a hand on the wall for some balance. Maybe you give it a try. We're gonna tap opposite hand to opposite knee. Really great to strengthen the back. Strong back spinal muscles. Right? Especially this move is really helpful. We're also engaging our front part of our core. So I always talk about the 360 core, and we want to strengthen the front and back of our torso. Helps us with our balance, right? Prevents falls. Also helps reduce back pain. That's a problem for a lot of folks in this world. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Those knee lifts are specifically great for strengthening the back. Good for you. Gratitude for clicking play, still being here, right? Sometimes committing to even a 10-minute workout is a challenge for some of us. So I honor you. I am so glad that you decided to take a moment for this practice of self-care. Anytime you slow down and take some time for you, through workouts, yoga, there's a lot of other ways to practice self-care, but even just self-exploration, right? Learning a little bit more about your health. That's a gift to yourself. And when you fill up your cup, create those positive changes in your world, that transpires to all the important work you do outside of the workout world, right? So, great job. I'm inspired by you. I hope you feel inspired as well. Give me some kicks. I'm gonna kick and kick, so alternating the legs. Reach both arms out today, if that feels okay. keep the spine tall, right? So we're not hunching over, strengthening those spinal muscles. Core is engaged. So belly button softly draws in towards the spine. You can kick as high or as low as you choose, it doesn't matter. As long as you're moving, you're doing this right. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Home base, walk it out. Always come back here. Breathe. Take your talk test. If you need to slow down, feel free to do so. If you got that energy like I do, rev it up. Maybe get those feet a little higher. Let's go. Go for the gold. I'm gonna cross that finish line strong. So proud of you. Whew. I'm gonna check on our time. Actually, let's all walk forward. I'm gonna give you a big high five. We are about 5 minutes into this walk. Let's keep walking forward. High five. Nice job. If you've been here before, you know I have a rescue dog. His name's Charlie. He's 10 or 11 years old. It's just a little too hot for him today. Go ahead and stay in place. It's about 90 degrees here right now, so he wants to stay in the cool air conditioning. Take your feet wide. Nice job. Backside muscles engaged. Core is engaged. Reach the arms overhead. Added challenge. Nice. And then give me a kick back. When the leg comes back, pull the arms down. Watch it. Join me if you're ready. Here we go. Reach, reach. Nice. If that's too much, have a chair or a wall close by for your balance. Blow out that air. Nice job. All right, these are singles. Guess what? We are going to go straight into doubles in 3, 2, 1. Double. Yes. Go for it. Make it happen. Big shapes here. You got this. Take up all the space you possibly can in this room. Maybe 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Blow out that air. Make it happen. Get those feet a little higher. Pump your arms a little bit more. Yes. So we did single side steps. Let's try double side steps. I'm going to incorporate a grapevine. If you aren't sure what that is, you could just watch. I'm going to step out, behind, and back. Hopefully you can see me here. I always tell people, use what you got. Home walking does not require a bunch of equipment. That's one of the reasons my mom and I got started. We started home walking together when I was in high school, so close to 20 years ago. And we just never stopped. She still walks with me every single week in my online membership. If you are interested in learning a little bit more about live classes like this, group health coaching, visit my website and check out Emily's Wellness Academy, where we really hone in on fitness, focus on learning and understanding our health and taking back what's truly ours, and that's our health and well-being. 3, 2, 1. Finish out, and then find that walk in place. Big smiles. Yeah, nice job. We got about 1.5 minutes to go. So good. Give me some modified jumping jacks, but if you love regular jumping jacks, you can try those as well. All right, I'm gonna show you the modified version. It's a toe tap, toe tap. Wake up those backside muscles, reach up. Move your body in a joyful way every single day. Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes, you are making a huge impact in your health and well-being. And inspiring those around you to do the same. I have many clients and students who work out with their grandkids. And I always think, young kids need to see how good this is for us, right? And a lot of times they'll join in. Have fun walking, working out, just moving joyfully. I think kids just know naturally, like, this is really good for me. They just know it. But we lose sight of that sometimes as we age and get to adulthood. Things are a little less fun. I think this is such a fun way to stay active, healthy and strong. 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Blow out that air. Nice, we're coming up right on this 10-minute marker. Go for it, guys. Pump the arms, get the legs a little higher. Core is activated, strong spine. Woo, let's slow this down. We're gonna start to slow the feet down a little bit. Nice job. And then ground your feet here and give this a try. We're gonna inhale, reach your arms overhead. And exhale, hands come down by the side. Never skip this stretch, so this is very important that we cool down and self-regulate in a healthy way. Reach your arms overhead, grab your right wrist, fold towards the left. Nice job, come back up. You can tell my heart rate's up today. Grab the left hand with the right wrist, fold over to the right, banana pose. Great job, send the hands down. Might have a wall or something close by. Start by drawing one knee in towards your chest, a little squeeze here. You can play with the balance, maybe roll out that right or that ankle a little bit, maybe even grab with both hands, but not necessary. Don't forget to reverse that ankle roll. And then from here, step that foot behind you. So a big shape here. Your front knee is going to bend, your back knee is also going to bend. And then send one arm to the sky. Maybe the other one wants to reach up. Find some balance here, strong and stable in the lower body, nice and light in the upper body. Call this a crescent lunge. We'll send the hands down, step it forward, and then other side. I'm just gonna turn this way. It's gonna be a little bit convenient for me. One foot steps to the ground, hug the other knee into the chest. Find a little twirl in the ankle here, one way and the other. Nice job. And then when you're ready, step that foot behind. Front knee bends, back knee bends. And then play with one arm up, maybe the other one wants to come up. Try your best not to look at the ground. We're going to look out in front of our space here. You know, if we look at the ground, we have a tendency to want to fall forward, so let's not do that. Nice, send the hands down, step forward, give it a shake. Take your feet wide. Try this, interlace the hands behind the back, pull your elbows down, lift up. If you feel okay and don't get dizzy when you fold forward, maybe start to hinge at the waistline. Hands come above the head. Go to your degree of stretch here. You don't have to go all the way down. Belly button draws in to protect the low back. Go ahead and roll on out of there. Well done, my friend. I give you a big, big round of applause. You stayed till the end. If you are ready to take the next step in your wellness journey, check out my website, emilydaugherty.com, and look for Emily's Wellness Academy. I have 2 levels, actually 3 levels. One is a paid level where you can connect with me and fellow community members online. And then also I offer fitness and group health coaching in the higher levels. So I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, reach out, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again very soon. Take good care.